How to add your delivery address on Blinkit. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set it up. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So basically, we're in this settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options. Now, slowly scroll down. Here, there's a section called Address Book. Simply tap on Address Book, and on the top, tap on Add New Address. So this is the place where you can add your new address. Here, you can add it manually, or you can simply turn on your GPS and it will automatically set it up. At last, simply tap on Add, and here you can see the list of addresses that you have added. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.